Hello friends! As you can see, I have quite a collection of knives, but in this video I'm going to speak about this Sencut Sachse. Welcome to this new video. As I'm a horseman, I'm a lot of time at the stables and I need a tool to work at the stable, fixing fences, fixing things on the saddle, but at the same time I also need a knife that can be deployed one-handed to cut the horse loose if needed. So it's always difficult what to bring with me. Do I bring a knife like this, the buck crosslock, or do I bring a multi-tool which is really handy but you don't have a knife at hand directly? I also carry a lot my Victorinox knife. For the last month I carried this one with me, but it didn't really fit my needs, so I bought myself this Sencut Sachse. First of all, for the style, I really love this wooden handle with the black knife. It really looks cool, and you have several possibilities to open it. You can open it from the back, you can open it with your thumb, and you can also open it on the other side with your thumb, and it locks in place right here. So you press it. So really simple, great looking, and a great quality. It came in this nice box, as all knives, with the details right on top. You can see the material of the knife, black stone washed 9 CR18 MOV blade, which is quite the same as D2 steel, and I have to say it is super sharp. But when I opened the box, I also discovered that the knife was packed in this little pouch with soft liner, with a cloth, instructions, really nice detail. Now for holding it, it really feels nice in the hand. The hand fits in just perfectly with the grip on top for your thumb. There's a little extension to keep your finger inside, so it really feels solid. You can easily fold it, super easy to deploy, so really nice. But of course we're going to test it as well. So that works perfectly. A little bit harder, a paracord. As you can see, that's 2 times nothing. Really easy. Still, it is razor sharp. Now much harder, this thick cord. Let's first try a single one. That worked perfectly. Wow, I'm really impressed. Now, let's go to the final test. And test this jeans. Wow, even the thick band, double jeans, it just cut through in one cut. From factory, this knife comes with a nice pocket clip as well. As you can see, I removed this one as I like to carry it on my belt, and I found this really nice leather handmade knife pocket on Amazon. I will put all the links in the video description. And as you can see, it fits like a glove. This Sencut Sachse, which is named after a town in Texas, is really nice. I think for a little less than 60 euros you have not only a knife that looks cool, but that is easy to handle, easy to carry, lightweight, easy to deploy, and that cuts through literally everything. Now, this is not a sponsored video, and honestly I love this knife. It is big enough to do the job. It is so nice to use it. This will be my everyday carry knife. So if you like this review, please drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.